Hi, I'm Vasilis and I'm going to talk through the fifth section of the data management plan, data security. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand and fill in the fifth section of your DMP application. Remember here that these are just suggestions of what I would write for a small gene expression study, to give you an idea of granularity of content and what I would consider writing. Previously, I showed 9 sections that I'll consider in this video series, noting that not all founders ask for these to be written. I proceed here to the fifth of these. Let's start with section number 5, the security of the data. This section consists of 2 subsections. In the first subsection, you have to provide details about any formal information standards with which your study is or will be compliant. In our example, the institute where the experiment will be held is Cyber Essentials certified, like most of the UK universities, and we will require all staff to complete cybersecurity training. We proceed to the second subsection, providing information about the main risks to the data security. Initially, we highlight the fact that our data are sensitive and we are not planning to store them on personal computers or external hard drives. Since our raw data is derived from human participants, it will be given a unique, pseudo-anonymized ID, where the mapping between this ID and identifiable participant information, including name and addresses, will be managed by the study clinician, name of clinician, and no other researcher will have access to these records. We have an RDMbite on the definitions of anonymized and pseudo-anonymized, if this is something you would like to watch also. The RNA-seq data for patients will be categorized as genetic information and consent will be requested for use. Ethical approval will be obtained before data collection commences, and finally, consent forms and patient information sheets, PIS, will state that pseudo-anonymized data will be shared with others through publication in data repositories. In this section, we are looking to identify any potential risk to data security and processes we have put in place to mitigate these. So, that was the 6th part of our RDMbites series of things to consider when writing a DMP for a grant. Please see the links mentioned as well as links to additional resources alongside this video.